Mother of 3 benefits cheat avoids prison term. Daily Mail Online. Published 0949 BST, April 30, 2019. Updated 1628 BST, April 30, 2019. Stephanie Tier, 43, from Ashton-under-Lyne, claimed more than £30,000 in universal credit while claiming to be a single mother while living with bus driver Earl Patrice, believed to be pictured right. A mother of 3 who stole more than £30,000 in welfare handouts by posing a single parent was unmasked as a cheat after investigators found pictures of her cuddling her partner on Facebook. Stephanie Tier, 43, pocketed extra allowances courtesy of the taxpayer after falsely claiming she cared for her children alone yet was living with bus company worker Earl Patrice. DWP investigators launched an investigation into Tier's circumstances after they were made aware of photographs on her social media profiles suggesting she was living with Mr. Patrice. Inquiries revealed he had given Tier's address when asked to supply his personal details to his employers, and his life insurance policy and bank details were registered to her home. The pair had also, at Minchell Street Crown Court, Manchester, Tier, a care home worker of Ashton-under-Lyne, admitted making a false statement to obtain universal credit and was sentenced to 6 months jail, suspended for 18 months. She initially denied living with Mr. Patrice and has since paid back £300. The court heard the scam began in November 2015 after Tier first claimed universal credit on the basis she was a lone parent with 3 dependent children and was in part-time work. But prosecutor Robert Dudley said the children's father, who was employed by Stagecoach, gave his address to his employer as her home address. His bank account. In interview, she denied cohabiting with him, saying he lived at her home 3 or 4 times a week, had post delivered there which she had asked him to stop. Tier claimed she was living alone with her 3 children, although Minchell Street Crown Court in Manchester heard Mr. Patrice, who is the father of the 3 children, had told his employer that he lived at Tier's home address. Tier told inspectors she wanted to be in a relationship with Mr. Patrice, but their relationship was on and off, and while he stayed at her house they lived separately. When asked about her Facebook account, which portrayed that they were in a relationship, she confirmed she wanted that to be the case. She said that he stayed at the house but they lived separately. 2 years since in total, she fraudulently claimed £33,700, which is being paid back directly via her employer. In mitigation, defense lawyer Mark Fireman, she has lost her good name and she is deeply ashamed about what she did. Relations with her partner were very much on and off during the period the two weren't living together as a couple. She was struggling financially, and in addition to financial difficulties, there was real alcohol dependency which impaired her judgment. All the children are still residing in the family home. The oldest is 21. This woman has made significant steps to overcome the alcoholism. She went to a rehabilitation facility in Ashton and received medication from the GP and is no longer alcohol dependent. She works at a care. Sentencing Judge John Edwards told Tier, "You have fraudulently obtained universal credit on the grounds that the information you were providing was accurate. It is an offense made easier by the fact that the system is based on the integrity of those who claim. If an individual, however, you are in work, hard work, in a care home, and I don't think the public will be too upset if I stay my hand and don't immediately send you to prison." A spokesman for the Department of Work and Pensions told Mail Online, "Only a small minority of benefit claimants are dishonest, but cases like this show how we are catching those who cheat the system and divert taxpayers' money from the people who need it. We are determined to catch those we suspect of fraudulently claiming benefits by following up on tip-offs and undertaking surveillance. Anyone who suspects someone of fraudulently claiming benefits can call the National Benefit Fraud Hotline on 0800 854 440. Judge Edwards said Tear stole money from those really needed it, although he described her as a hard worker and would stay his hand and not send her immediately to prison. The comments below have not been moderated. By posting your comment you agree to our. Do you want to automatically post your Mail Online comments to your Facebook timeline? Your comment will be posted to Mail Online as usual. Do you want to automatically post your Mail Online comments to your Facebook timeline? Your comment will be posted to Mail Online as usual. We will automatically post your comment and a link to the news story to your Facebook timeline at the same time it is posted on Mail Online. To do this, you can choose on each post whether you would like it to be posted to Facebook. Your details from published by Associated Newspapers Limited. Part of the Daily Mail, the Mail on Sunday Metro Media Group.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.